Now let's add the gutter. We are going to roof again and go to gutter and see if we have some changes here that we can do on the gutter. We have to choose between we are going to take this standard one 150 and go click OK, and then we are going to use the edge of the soffit, the fascia, to place these gutters. Okay, and maybe before I do that, let me select this one and then go to edit. I'm going to change this material to something like white material. Maybe it's also aluminum, and it's going to be the same as the fascia. I hope that's, yes, that's right. And all right, I will also go to the other edge and place this gutter using the fascia first. Okay, this is a mistake. Let me go and go back to roof, gutter, and I'll use that fascia to place that gutter. Okay, let's see that. You can see that it looks perfect here. Okay, all right, now we are going to create the end cap. When you look closer, you can see that this gutter is open, and we have to make it closed. So to do that, we are going to make to edit its profile into something that is that has an end cap. How do we do that? We are going to the families and then go to profiles and look where it is gutter bevel, and we right click and edit that one. You can see that it opens this profile, and then we are going to click this one, and you can see that it is locked, and I will unlock it and then extend this line and I will delete the interior ones. Control select, yes, control select and delete. I'll trim and extend this one, and I will also delete this last one. And here we go. This is our new profile with an end cap, and we are going to save this one file. Save as, we are going to save it as a family, and we will call it an end cap. Then we save it. We save it into somewhere in families, but we do not really need it for now. Let's save it on the desktop, and we are going to quickly load it in the in our project. Let us load it in the project. Yes, it has already been loaded, and if we go back to closer to our gutter, we are going to go again to roof and gutter, and in the on the properties, I'm going to duplicate this one. This is maybe we call it Home Design Studio gutter, with end cap. Click OK, and here we are going to change into 1.2 end cap. This one, this is the one we created, and go like that. Now we are going to the face of the fascia, so that we can place the, now we will actually use the gutter, and we can use still that one, and that's actually it. This is our first, and we are going to select it. Let us select this one, and we are going to open it to stretch this one so that it becomes a little bit smaller, like this. Maybe stretch it until it reaches like maybe 100, something like that, 0.10, something like that. That's better, I think. Alright, let me see. I will stretch it again until it reaches 100, which is perfect. This is what I like. Now you can see it's closed here. Now I place another one that is going to open on the other side. I'm going to again use this one. No, mistake. I'm going to gutter again. I hope that one is selected, and then I'll use that one, and I will select it again, and I'm going to stretch it on the other side. In the same values of 0.01, something like this one, 110, and 100. This is okay. Now we have our gutters closed. Now we are going to do it on the other edge here. I think this one there is a mistake, but we shall correct it after. Now what we are going to do is to do it on the other edge also. This is the one we need, 100. That's cool. That's great. Okay, I think there is a bit of mistake here, but we can maybe fix that. Let's see if we can fix this. Yes, we are going to go to the south elevation, and we can fix that by just taking this down, move, and we put it at the end of our gutter here. Perfect. This one is going to also change. Same here, move, and move this one to the end. That is okay. Now that's fine. Let's see what we have done. Yeah, it's perfect here. It's good. Now we have our gutter and the end caps. Okay, that's right. Now we can see that's very well detailed here, all the gutters. Okay.